Fichón. Ya nomás. Pura lombriz. Ya nomás, compas. Aquí está el primer striper de la mañana. Ah, miren nomás. Ahí está. Bonito striper. Chulo. Chulo, chulo, chulo. Ahí está, miren. Mm. ¿No que no hay? ¿No que no hay? Ah. Right, guys. See? Another baby. Another gray striper, guys. Beautiful striper, okay? Look at it. 12 inches. Beautiful. Okay? Hey, awesome fish. I've been feeding them all morning, okay, guys? Go get me you gray grandpa 25 inches. Oh my goodness. But it's fun to catch them, even though they are little, okay?
Oh, look at big one, look.
No.
Hey, this guy here.
Oh, yeah.
Very good.
Ya tenemos para hacer el video.
Ándale, mi hermano.
Ya, ahorita. Ya que me vaya, lo hacemos. Síganle chingando. Fichón, fichón. Pesca, 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 mi hermano, pesca, pesca, pesca. Fichón caminado, guys. Fichón caminado, guys. Pesca, pesca, pesca. All right. There's another baby. Look at this one. Ah. Tal vez unas 17. Sí. Por ahí. Vamos a ver. Ahí está. Esos están chingones. Miren nomás, guys. This is my fish. This is my striper today. Okay? I've been catching a lot of stripers. Ajá.
No, ya no quiere hablar de uno.
¿Ah?
Ya no quiere hablar en chombo.
Okay, guys. ¿Lombrices?
Tierra.
No. De esas,
Sangre.
de sangre. Bloodworms. Okay, guys. a lot of ones, but you know, this is not what I want. So I'm gonna put it back in the water, guys. Go get me you great grandpa. 18 inches, but I don't keep 18 inches. I only keep 20s. So fish. Look at this one, guys. 18 inches. I'm gonna put it back in the water. Okay. So fishing has been pretty good. Fishing has been pretty good. Ya las tiene. Okay. This is 18 and I'm gonna put it back in the water. It's not exactly what I want, so okay. So it's not what I want. Look at guys. Awesome little fish. Okay. Gotta go back. Okay, me great grab. Pesca, 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 mi hermano, pesca, pesca, pesca. Fish, mi hermano. Fish. Little fish. Okay, guys. Look, coming out. Little fish. Okay, guys. This is another one. Very little. 17 inches. It's been awesome all day. Okay, great fish, but too little. Fish on, coming out, guys. Fish on, baby. Pesca, pesca, mi hermano, pesca, pesca. Pesca, mi brother. Pesca, pesca, pesca. It's coming hard right now. I hope this one is a little bigger so I can take one home. Okay. Coming up. You see? It's another one 17 inches. Beautiful fish. You see, guys? Beautiful striper. 17 inches, right? Awesome fish. Woo! Wow. Lot of catching. I just want to say with this fish guy that it's been awesome day. Okay. They are hot. Beautiful day. But all of these fish has been like this high. 17 inches. So it's been awesome, but they need to grow up a little bit more. Go get me your great grandpa. That's how it is. All day. I've been catching a lot of them. So you guys, ay, papayito. 19 inches. Woo! Fish on, fish on, fish on, compas, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Pesca, pesca, mi amigo, pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, 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 mi brother. There he is. There he is, guys. Look at it. Okay? Look at it.
Okay, that's a fish. Fish on, fish on, fish on, primo. Fish on, cousin. Okay, there you go, guys. There you go. Whew. All right, beautiful fish. No, no, it's not a keeper. This is probably 17. It's okay, guys. This is beautiful. Look, guys. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful striper. It's gonna go back. This is probably 16, okay? So I'm gonna throw it back. See, guys? It's been an awesome day. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Pesca, 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 primo, pesca, primo, pesca, primo. Pesca, primito, pesca, primo. Pesca, pesca, primo. Fish on, caminado, primo. Fish on, caminado, primo. Fish on, caminado, primo. Pesca, pesca, primo, pesca, primo. There you go, primo. There you go. Ha. Ha, ha. There you go, primo. Primo, primo. There you go, primo. Primo, 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 primo. Pesca, primo, pesca, primo. Se me enrolló, primo. Pesca, primito. Primo, primo, primo. Okay, guys, you see there's a little one. Okay, it's another striper, but very little. Very tiny one. Okay? Go get me your great grandpa. Pesca, 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 pesca. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. All right. All right, guys. See? Another baby. Another great striper, guys. Beautiful striper, okay? Look at it. 12 inches. Beautiful. Okay? Hey, awesome fish. I've been feeding them all morning, okay, guys? Go get me your great grandpa 25 inches. Oh my goodness. But it's fun to catch them, even though they are little, okay? It's fun to catch them. So it's okay. I'm gonna keep fishing as long as I keep catching them. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on coming out, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on coming out. It's another fish. Look at this one, guys. 18 inches. I'm gonna put it back in the water. Okay. So fishing has been pretty good. Fishing has been pretty good. Ya las tiene. Okay. This is 18 and I'm gonna put it back in the water. It's not exactly what I want, so okay. So it's not what I want. Look at guys. Awesome little fish. Okay. Gotta go back. Go get me the great grandpa. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, pesca, pesca. Pesca, pesca, pesca is coming. It's hot right now. I hope this one is a little bigger so I can take one home. Okay. They coming up. You see? It's another one 17 inches. Beautiful fish. Fish on coming up. Fish all coming out, guys. It's nice. It's a keeper. It's a keeper, guys. Oh yeah. Fish on coming out. Look at it. Huh. It's beautiful. Beautiful, guys. It's a nice fish. Oh yeah. It's coming right on the mouth. Ooh. Ooh. Look at it, guys. Beautiful fish. Look at it. All right. Hey, let's take a look at this fish. Beautiful, beautiful striper. Nice. All right, guys. Here we are. All right. It's good. They've been biting all morning. All morning. It's awesome. Okay. Okay. Bear with me, okay? Stay tuned. Look at it. Beautiful. Two stripers, 22 inches. Both of them. They are beautiful. And he was cutting this with the worms. Thank you for watching my channel. I know you have a choice, but you choose to watch El Viajero Sin Fronteras.